than $5, would you like to have international traveling experience? Then you must watch this video till the end. Hi, this is your Sannidhi, back with another interesting travel vlog. Now I am at Ferry Wharf, Boucha Dhaka, Mumbai port, traveling by M2M ferry to Mandwa. This ferry is so big with capacity of 500 passengers, 150 vehicles. Boats all around in the sea with the perfect timing while riding the ferry in the early morning sunrise is feeling so fabulous. I'm loving it. If you want to join me, come along. I'm waiting for you. This is the entrance of the ferry with magnificent view. I am taking the steps as the ground is for parking and the upper deck you have for seating. If you have a car, bike, cycle, then just drive it to the ferry. As you see, the vehicle deck capable of carrying over 150 cars, motorbikes, cycles and even buses is perhaps the most interesting feature of M2M ferries. If you have a car, it's good to reach an hour before check-in. The gates are closed and it's time to start the journey. Bye bye Mumbai. Wow, so many seagulls. The journey is for 1 hour to Mandwa and from there you can go to Alibaug. Forgot to mention, I'm on the weekend 1-day trip to Alibaug. Wait, there is an announcement by the captain. Let's listen to it.
Outside refreshment is strictly prohibited. Smoking is not permitted. Please do not lean on outside safety railings. Spitting and littering on board or into the sea are strictly prohibited. There are security cameras across the vessel. Any after choosing M2M ferries, we wish you a comfortable and pleasant journey.
Okay, it's over. Let's explore the ferry now. I want to have lounge experience and booked Skoda Kushak AC lounge. Other than that, you have 2 more decks. Here's the pricing of it. Skoda Superb Lounge is good for meetings with private dining. The topmost view is Skoda Octavia deck. Now let's have a photo shoot. Hope you like it. It's time to get in lounge. You see, it's very spacious with complete AC. Feeling hungry? Let's have breakfast. Don't worry, the ferry has Nemo's Cafe on board. You can have all the varieties of hot drinks, milkshakes, ice creams, kulfi, sandwich, cents, breads and burgers. I will order 1 Mumbai famous vada pav and sabudana khichdi. Do you know there is a gift shop too with t-shirt, coffee mug and others. Oh, let's hurry up. Time went so fast. We reached Mandwa. Check out from the ferry and we'll meet with next video on Alibaug. It's your Sannidhi signing off. But don't forget to book a ticket and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.